So before anyone gets here, I'm going to show you guys what the studio lounge looks like. Now you can only access this if you're staying in a studio. Looks like they have some snacks, tea, coffee, cream, cappuccinos, okay. So cute. Oh my gosh. There's a toilet here. There's a door. Full-size mirror. Shower with soap and shampoo. What is this here? What's this slide? Look at this cute closet. The TV. There's a television screen here that shows what outside is looking like. I have a phone. Let's slide this one. Cabinet, safe. You guys, this is perfect.
Now sit back, grab a drink, and get ready for some laughs.
Norwegian Encore, how you feeling tonight?
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
One, two, three, four. One, two, three.
You're on.
You're good. All right. Cheers.
It's a drunken times.
You can film in the circle, in the circle. Ladies, keep your hands.
What the? I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Life is plastic. It's the top.
Don't you dare look back.
Restaurant, I thought in town. It was so good.
Now I hope it doesn't rain on our excursion day. No weather sucks.
Want it like this? It's a video.
Oh wait, I'm sorry. Him too. Both of us.
Yeah.
We just met one of both, and we have the same birthday.
Birthday to you.
Alcohol. There's also a little device that should be issued, and that name was changed to Belize in 1973. Fast forward, in case anyone's interested in Carnival, September is the month to leave Belize.
They got it to see that tomorrow. All the girls, let me women sing along. I can't hear y'all.
Salamat.
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 Let me see this.
stop on the break, okay?
Happy birthday! It's a video. Hey!
I can't do that shit.
Cheers, guys. Wait, they didn't make it hard to leave.
Pick up the telephone, you know it ain't nothing. Drop a couple stacks on you, long as you get it right. I swear, yeah, I want your body, need your body, long as I need you.
I love embracing others. Oh, this is pretty cool. Okay. This is very futuristic looking, huh?
Come wine for we.
Norwegian Encore, there is over 1,700 team members from 65 different nationalities, working anywhere from 2 months up to 10 months away from our homes to welcome you to our home.
We are a family.
Hip, hip! Hip, hip! Is closed. Great. So we are going to do an example, but you. Where's your item? Oh, 7, 11, 10.
Come on.
Final breakfast. Hi. Thank you. Bye. Woo-woo. Mwah.
About 20 minutes. Don't talk about me, okay? Don't talk about me.
We are leaving.
I was gonna say, it is over.